Answer me. Did you marry me for my inheritance?
What nonsense is this?
These papers say assets will transfer after marriage.
I have never seen this before.
Stop lying.
I don't need your money.
Then explain this.
What's happening?
You tell me.
I don't understand.
Do you prepare these documents?
Why would I do that?
We should live separately.
We just got married.
This marriage is already fake.
You think I enjoy this? I didn't ask for this either.
Sir, investors are asking about the new legal merger.
What merger?
They said after your marriage, company shares will shift.
You look stressed.
My husband married me for property.
Men like him always care about power.
Maybe I was stupid.
You'll get sick.
Why do you care?
Because you're my wife.
That's just a title.
It's not just a title to me.
Let go.
If I let go, you'll fall.
Yes, keep creating pressure. They must fight more.
She already doubts him.
Investors know about transfer. How?
I'm investigating.
Or hiding?
Stop accusing me.
I trusted you for 1 second, and that was my mistake.
If you're behind this, I swear.
Careful, brother.
You're playing a dangerous game.
Grandma Aurora suddenly collapses.
She had severe stress.
This is not your fault.
We fight because of money.
I don't care about money.
Then what do you care about?
You.
Selene secretly shows a low and fake message from Xavier's phone.
After transfer, divorce her.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving.
What?
I won't stay where I'm just a deal.
You believe lies, but not your husband.
I don't know who you are anymore.
Mrs. Knight, your husband sent us. This marriage will end tonight.
If you enjoyed my story, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends so you never miss the next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye.